Ever wondered what diabetes truly is and why it's such a common health issue? Well, let's unravel this together. Diabetes is a chronic disease that arises when the body can't use or produce enough insulin. Now you're probably wondering, why is insulin so important? Insulin is like a key that opens the door for sugar to enter the cells in our body. Without enough insulin, sugar builds up in the blood, leading to high blood sugar levels. There are various types of diabetes, each with its unique characteristics. Type 1 diabetes is where the body's immune system attacks and destroys insulin-producing cells. Type 2 diabetes, the most common form, occurs when the body becomes resistant to insulin. Lastly, there's gestational diabetes, which develops during pregnancy and usually resolves after delivery. Understanding these types of diabetes is the first step to managing the condition effectively. So let's continue this journey together as we delve even deeper into the world of diabetes. Now that we know what diabetes is, you might be wondering how it impacts the body. Let's dive in. Diabetes primarily revolves around the mismanagement of glucose or sugar in our bodies. When there's too much sugar in our bloodstream, it's like a bull in a china shop, causing damage wherever it goes. One of the most critical areas affected are our blood vessels. Think of them as the highways that carry nutrients and oxygen throughout our body. When high sugar levels persist, these highways become damaged, much like a road ridden with potholes, making it difficult for the necessary supplies to reach their destination. Over time, these damaged highways can lead to heart disease, the leading cause of death in people with diabetes. The heart, which relies heavily on these highways to function, struggles when the roads are in poor condition. This could also pave the way for a stroke, another serious condition where blood supply to part of the brain is reduced or interrupted. But the heart and brain aren't the only organs at risk. The kidneys, which act as our body's filter system, can also be affected. High sugar levels can damage these filters, leading to kidney disease or even kidney failure in severe cases. Our eyes aren't immune to the effects of diabetes either. Persistently high blood sugar levels can lead to vision problems, such as retinopathy, where the blood vessels in the retina are damaged. Diabetes can also wreak havoc on our nerves. This is especially true for the peripheral nerves in our hands and feet, leading to a condition known as peripheral neuropathy, characterized by numbness, tingling, and pain. Lastly, diabetes can even impact our digestion. This happens when the cells that make insulin, the key to letting sugar into our cells, are damaged. Without proper insulin production, our body struggles to regulate sugar levels, leading to further complications. Diabetes can have serious health implications if not managed properly, emphasizing the importance of early detection and treatment. What are the warning signs of diabetes? Let's find out. Imagine your body as a finely tuned machine. When everything's running smoothly, you might not notice anything out of the ordinary. But when something goes wrong, your body sends out signals. It's our job to listen and take action. The same applies when it comes to diabetes. One of the first signs people often notice is an increase in thirst. You might feel like no matter how much water you drink, you just can't quench your thirst. This is because your body is trying to flush out the excess sugar in your blood. Closely related to this is frequent urination. When you're drinking more, you're naturally going to be visiting the bathroom more often. But if you find yourself waking up several times in the night to urinate, it could be a sign of diabetes. Another common symptom is an increase in hunger. Despite eating your regular meals, you might still feel hungry. This happens because your body isn't able to get energy from the food you're eating due to a lack of insulin. You might also experience unexplained weight loss. Despite eating more, you might find that you're losing weight. This can happen when your body starts burning fat and muscle for energy because it can't use the sugar in your blood. Fatigue is another telltale sign. If you're constantly feeling tired despite getting enough sleep, it's because your body isn't able to convert the food you eat into energy. Your vision may become blurred as high blood sugar levels can cause the lens in your eyes to swell. You may also notice that sores and cuts take longer to heal. This is because high sugar levels in your blood can affect your body's ability to heal and fight infections. Lastly, you may find that you're getting frequent infections, such as skin or gum infections. Your body's natural defense system is compromised when your blood sugar levels are high. Recognizing these symptoms early on can lead to timely diagnosis and treatment. So how can you manage diabetes to lead a healthy life? Here's what you need to know. Firstly, lifestyle changes are crucial. Adopting a healthy diet is a key step. It's not about depriving yourself of all the foods you love, but rather understanding how these foods affect your blood sugar levels. Think lean proteins, whole grains, fruits and vegetables, limit processed foods and sugary drinks, and yes, that includes those delicious but devilish pastries you love so much. Next, regular physical activity is a must. Don't worry, you don't have to run a marathon. Even simple, everyday activities like walking your dog or gardening can help. Try to be active for at least 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week. It helps to control your blood sugar levels, lose weight, and reduce the risk of heart disease. Maintaining a healthy weight also plays a significant role in managing diabetes. If you're overweight, even a modest weight loss can have a big impact on managing your blood sugar levels. But managing diabetes isn't just about diet and exercise. Regular checkups with your healthcare provider are crucial. They can help you monitor your blood sugar levels, check for complications, and adjust your treatment plan as needed. Now, let's talk about medication. Some people with diabetes need medication to help control their blood sugar levels. These medications work in different ways, but they all aim to lower your blood sugar levels. Your healthcare provider can help you understand which medication is right for you. For some people, insulin therapy may also be required. Insulin is a hormone that helps regulate blood sugar levels. If your body doesn't produce enough insulin, or if it doesn't use it effectively, you may need to take insulin. Managing diabetes doesn't mean you can't live a full and active life. It's about making the right choices for your health. Remember, you're in control, and with the right tools and information, you can manage your diabetes effectively. Let's quickly recap the key points we've learned about diabetes. Diabetes, in its simplest form, is a chronic condition where the body's ability to process sugar or glucose is impaired. It's like having a car with a faulty fuel system. The fuel is there, but it's not being used effectively. There are two main types of diabetes, type 1 and type 2. Type 1 is an autoimmune condition where the body attacks its own insulin-producing cells, whereas type 2 is usually lifestyle-related and involves the body not properly using the insulin it produces. Now, how does diabetes affect your body? Well, it's a systemic condition, meaning it impacts your whole system. Most notably, it affects your heart, kidneys, eyes, and nerves. Over time, high blood sugar levels can lead to heart disease, kidney damage, vision loss, and nerve damage. As for the symptoms to watch out for, they can be as subtle as feeling thirsty all the time, frequently needing to pee, feeling tired, or experiencing unexplained weight loss. More severe signs can include frequent infections, slow wound healing, and even blurred vision. It's always important to listen to your body and seek medical advice if you notice any changes. Managing diabetes is not a one-size-fits-all approach. It involves a mix of lifestyle changes, medication, and regular checkups with your healthcare provider. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and maintaining a healthy weight are the cornerstones of managing this condition. Medication, whether it's insulin or other types of drugs, can also be a crucial part of the management plan. To sum it all up, diabetes is a complex chronic condition that requires careful management. It's not just about the sugar in your blood. It's about understanding how your body works, recognizing the symptoms, and taking proactive steps to manage the condition. Remember, knowledge is power. Understanding diabetes is the first step to managing it effectively.